Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete your Duolingo account. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for duolingo.com. Make sure you log into it. After that, we can see there's more option over here. Simply tap on this and click on settings. Now scroll down, we can see this button called delete my account. Simply tap on this. And if you want to get access to your personal data, simply click on this tab. And if you want to erase all of your personal data, simply click on erase personal data. Now we need to go to the email and click on this link over here. And all of our data related to Duolingo will be finally deleted. Now if you want to recover your account, you will have only 7 days. So this is all we can do to delete your Duolingo account. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.